I wanted to meet with the ALE experts and discuss a lot of the solutions that we have, the workarounds that we've done, learn a little bit more about the path forward within the roadmap, and look at explore features that I haven't used yet within the OmniSwitch platform.
What motivated me is to acquire knowledge for the upcoming products of Alcatel, and also to join the workshop in the event.
For this year's events or spacewalkers, I'm motivated also, number one, to enjoy or to know more about Alcatel solutions, and also to meet the professional or experts also for Alcatel.
What I like the most is the workshop. Like the most fun part for me is the about cybersecurity.
Day one, I've enjoyed the technical updates and roadmaps, including for industrial switches. And for day two, I've enjoyed also the wireless LAN updates, including the Wi-Fi 7, and also the OmniVista solutions, including the on-prem and cloud versions.
I like most the well the roundtables were probably the best, but second best was I was really pleasantly surprised with some of the features that I didn't think were applicable to an ISP that I think I can actually incorporate portions of those feature sets and get more value out of the OmniSwitch.
Yes, I will recommend this event to my colleagues. This will help us to better understand the upcoming updates for the Alcatel equipments.
Yes, I'm gonna try to get as many of them to come as possible, but leave a space for me next year.
Yeah, for this event, I think I will recommend this for my colleagues since back in the Philippines, we're also from our team, we're also specializing in handling different solutions, especially the Alcatel from I think from switches to wireless solutions.
Yes, I enjoy the opportunity to meet other VPs and other clients, so we can share knowledge that we can use in our everyday life.
Oh, it was a great time. Not only the expertise that was here, but also seeing some of the people in person that I've worked with online is really nice.